Hello students, today I explain the different types of connections of our computer system. Okay, to make the network. First previously explained that networking is a connections of two computer, and basically purpose of networking is used to share resources, files, etc. Okay, and today I explain that topology. What do you mean by the topology? It is a pattern of connections of our computer. Okay, network में जितने भी computers है, if you want to connect these each other, so we use the different topology and different wires. I know what is the topology. It is a diagram of bus topology. Before I explain it, I explain topology. Topology actually physical layout of the computer, how to connect it, and cables and other component of networking. Okay, basically it is a pattern of connections of physical devices which is used to connect the network. There are number of different types of network topology in nowadays, and a network may be built using multiple topology. So we are explaining from the bus topology. Bus topology, actually in this topology having one main cable and all the computers are connected with this network. Okay, so when one computer pass any signals to in this networking, these signals are passed in both terminals, and when they pass in both terminals, all the computers can take this data, these signals, and again it back to the that computer that will be sended to it. Okay, or we just in which computer send it these signals, they back from that to that computer. Okay, so this is the basic way to work, how to the bus topology will work. So here one main cable and some different computers are connected with these main cables, and whatever signals are passed by the one computer, it will be received by the all system who is connected through this network. Now star topology or star networking. Okay, in this networking having one main central hubs. Okay, and each node mean by the computer which connect to the net is called node, and each node is directly connected to the hub and switch, and all devices are connected to a central hub. Node communicated across the when one node want to communicate with other node, so it will be send the signal to the hub, and hub give or send that particular signal to destination computer. Okay, now this is the extended star topology. If we want to connect multiple star topology with a central hub, so we extend it. Okay, if we want suppose we think that in a one star topology having so many buttons, so many computers, so we will extend with a added one hub and divided this computer in different branches like that. Okay, no, so I am explaining you that which one bus topology. In bus topology there are suppose different computers are connected through one main cable. Okay, it is connected through one main cable, and here one terminal and here also one terminal. Okay, this is the terminal, and if that signal is sent by this computer, that data is travel to both direction. Okay, and just terminals are received that and again back this data, and this timing of traveling, the computer those who are connected from this networking are receive that data. Now next one is star topology. In star topology having one main hub, and these hub with this help different computers are connected. ओके, इस हब से डिफरेंट कंप्यूटर्स कनेक्टेड रहते हैं. So suppose if one computer want to send any message to a particular uh, computer, so what they are doing, they just send the message and their ID, ओके कंप्यूटर की आईडी के थ्रू इस मैसेज को सेंड करते. सपोज ए को सेंड करना है मैसेज सी को, ठीक है. सो व्हाट दे आर डूइंग, दे सेंड देयर मैसेज with their code ID and then hubs read it, read it and then send it to the computer C. Okay, it is a star topology, and if we want to extend, we just add here one hub and different computers on that side. Okay, now next one is bus topology. In bus topology also just like a ring topology. Ring topology is just like a bus topology, but the difference is that they are connected with each other. Okay, in this computer, suppose computer 1, computer 2, computer 3 and computer 4, so they are connected with each other through the wire. No main cable and no main hubs are there, no center point on this topology. So this is called ring topology. In this topology, if any computer want to send any signals, so they will be send their signals and they will be travel to all the networking. So all the computers are connected through the cable in a circular or a ring pattern and has no starting and ending point. Signal travel in one directions of the ring, while they are passing from one computer to the next computer, then it will be travel through the network. Okay, then mesh topology. In mesh topology, all the computers in a network are directly connected to each other. Suppose this one, this one, this one, this one, they are directly connected. This computer are directly connected to this one, and this one computer is also directly connected to this one. Like that, mesh topology will be established. Okay, so in mesh topology, every network devices are connected to other network device. It is costly because extra cable needed and very complex and difficult to manage. Every node has connected to every other node in a networking. So this is not too much successfully. And if we are combine these technology, suppose here I am connect star topology to that ring topology, okay, through any hubs, so it will be called hybrid computer network technology. Okay, it is a combination of multiple star topology. Same thing, we are combined the different types of networking. Just like in place of star, we just connect the bus topology and ring topology, so it will be called hybrid topology. Okay, so thank you.